Ever wondered how to create, alter, and drop a database in SQL Server? Well, today is your lucky day. We're going to dive right into the process, step by step, making it as simple as possible. First things first, creating a database. It all starts with a straightforward command, create database. And then you append the name of your new database. For example, if you want to name your database My First Database, you would type in create database My First Database. Just like that, you've created a new database. But what if you want to make changes to the database after creating it? That's where altering a database comes in. You can change various properties of your database using the alter database command. For instance, let's say you want to change the collation of your database to case-insensitive, accent-sensitive. You would do this by typing alter database My First Database collate, Latin 1_general_ci_as. This command changes the collation of your database to Latin 1_general_ci_as. Now, on to the final step, dropping a database. This is something you need to be careful with because once a database is dropped, it's gone for good. There's no undo button. To drop a database, you use the drop database command followed by the name of your database. For instance, drop database My First Database. And with that, your database is no more. To recap, creating, altering, and dropping a database in SQL Server involves three key commands. Create database to create a new database, alter database to make changes to your database, and drop database to permanently remove a database. Remember, always be sure of what you're doing when executing these commands, especially the drop database command, as it permanently deletes all the data in your database. And there you have it. A simple step-by-step guide to creating, altering, and dropping a database in SQL Server. Now, you're ready to dive in and start managing your databases like a pro.